Hello, welcome to my 412 final project. I made a mobile auction marketplace with React Native and the Django REST framework. So I have four different screens: home, auction, create, and profile. So in the home screen, I feature auctions that are currently active. As you can see, all of these have a time left in the bottom right that are currently still some time ahead in the future. And as a buyer, I could view some kind of postings, view all the details, view current bid, starting bid, description, and all that. And I can see the history of bids and the highest bid. So let's say current bid is 800. I want to buy this. Let's do an 850 bid. I bid it. It shows in the total bids. It also updates in the current bid, and now it shows free bids. As a buyer, I could also view the seller's profile. So there's 4 stars, average, and reviewed by me with some feedback. And when I'm viewing someone else's profile, this is using authentication. I do not get to edit their profile. However, I can leave review or view all the auctions that they have posted. So right here, we can see this is all the active auctions. In the auctions, we list all the auctions, including the currently active, and then the auctions that have ended. We also have a search functionality. So let's do AMG. We can see this car, let's say charging cable, and we see that. So functionality. And then if I go on my own profile, so we can see that the authentication coming to play. Earlier, when we viewed another profile, we can only review or view their auctions. But here, if I go onto my own profile, which is in this tab, you can actually edit profile. So I like cars. I think my text is too long, so I'm just going to delete some of this. And you can change photo too, but I'm not going to. So save, and now it has updated, and you can see that. And I could also make auction listing. So let's say, I don't know what I have on my images, so let's see that I can sell. Okay, let's say here, I want to sell this adapter. So I'm just gonna say adapter, iPhone adapter, and starting bid, I'm gonna put $15, and for the time to end, so month, I'm gonna give it till the end of this year, and boom, create auction. So now if I refresh my page, we can see this due in my listings. And if you go on them all active auctions, we see that there's one for $15 and this. I could also leave comments, nice, and then boom, it shows there. And I also have a login, logout functionality. So now I'm gonna use a different account to show you transactions. So Dahlia Waters. So different users have different permissions. And now we can see this is the adapter that I showed earlier. I can view this guy, see all the ratings he's received from everyone. Oh, I've already left a review on this, but essentially you can choose stars and leave some comment and submit review. Since I already submitted it with this account, I'm going to cancel since that's not going to work. And then the rating, average rating is computed here. And I see that there's a $15 placement bid, so I'm going to do $16. I want to bid on that item. And my bid has gone through, and now the current bid has also